Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Journey Towards English with Amrita. Friends, आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं Subject Verb Agreement. It is Subject Verb Agreement. Okay friends, today's topic is subject verb agreement. So friends, I will explain you this with some rules. So friends, our first rule and the important rule is, you can write down rule 1. Singular subject, singular verb. So friends, आपको समझ आया कि ये रूल क्या कहता है हमें? This rule tells that singular subject and singular verb in any sentence जब भी हम लिखते हैं तो हमारे पास एक सब्जेक्ट होता है, एक वर्ब होता है. So friends, हमारा सब्जेक्ट वर्ब के साथ जाना चाहिए. If the subject is singular, verb should also be singular. So friends, I will explain you with the example. Let us write he plays football. So friend, he plays football. Now friends, आपको पता होगा बहुत अच्छे से कि this is our subject. He ये एक subject है और ये क्या है? Singular subject है. Singular subject. In short, I have written SS. Singular subject. Now friends, the verb of the sentence is plays. Friends, now maybe you got confused that this is, here it is S. So with S we consider plural. But in case of verbs में क्या होता है friends? जो verb S के साथ होता है, जो verb के पीछे S होता है, वो singular कहलाते हैं. And the verbs without S, जिन verbs में S नहीं होता है, वो क्या होते हैं? वो plural होते हैं. So he plays football. So friends, this is a singular verb. So friends, I hope you understand rule number 1. Singular subject, singular verb. Singular subject, singular verb. He plays. Now I have also told you about the mystery of S. The verbs with S are considered singular and the verbs without S are considered plural. So I hope friends you will remember this thing. Now friends, let me rub this and move on to our second rule. Rule 2. Now friends, the rule 2 tells plural subject, plural verb. Friends, जैसे हमारा रूल फर्स्ट था सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर वर्ब, रूल 2 भी सेम है, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल वर्ब. बट सिर्फ आपको इतना ध्यान रखना है कि हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होना चाहिए एंड वर्ब भी प्लूरल होना चाहिए. सो अगेन आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू विद एन एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल है, they are playing football. So friends, in this sentence, what is the subject? हमारा subject क्या है? The subject is they over here, and they is a plural subject. Plural subject. And what is the verb over here? This is the verb over here. And this are is also a plural verb. So friends, now I hope you understand rule 2 also. Plural subject, plural verb. Okay friends? So let me rub this and move on to the third rule of subject verb agreement. singular noun represent single idea, comma, they take singular verb. Sorry, they take singular verb. So friends, now if two singular nouns represent single idea, I'll explain you with the example. Let me tell you about the example. Example is bread and butter is available on request. So friends, bread and butter. See friends, these are two things, but bread and butter represents the single idea. So they are taking the singular verb over here, and that is. So we can say this is a singular subject and this is a singular verb. So do you understand friends? One more example, if you want me to give you one more example, I'll give you the example of this third rule, that we can also write slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Yes friends, now slow and steady are again considered as a singular subject because they represent the single idea, singular subject, and here the wins word is verb over here, and I have already told you the verbs with is are considered singular. So this is singular verb. So friends, I hope I am very clear with this third rule. Now friends, let us move on to our fourth rule. So rule 4. So what does the rule 4 tells us? It tells us that if there is a singular and a plural noun in same sentence, if there is a singular and a plural noun in same sentence and they are joined by or nor, the verb will go with the subject nearer to it, or verb. So friends, this rule is also very clear, I hope. If there is a singular and a plural noun in same sentence, एक सेंटेंस है जिसमें हमारे पास एक नाउन सिंगुलर है एंड एक नाउन कैसा है, प्लूरल है. ओके, सो और क्या है, वो किससे ज्वाइंड है, और नॉट से ज्वाइंड है. सो फ्रेंड्स, द वर्ब किसके साथ जाएगा, फिर जो वर्ब जाएगा उस सब्जेक्ट के साथ जो उसके ज्यादा क्लोज है, जो उसके ज्यादा नियरर है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, आई होप आई एम clear with this. I'll again explain you this rule with the example. So let me write down the example. Example is the girls and their father connects every day on mobile. So friends, see in this sentence, in this example, the girls is what? This is a plural noun. Okay friends, and their father, this is what? This is a singular noun. See, one more thing I forgot, here should be an or over here. The girls or their father connects every day on mobile. So friends, we can write down the girls or their father. Okay friends, so I have written the girls or their father connects, or we can write over here. Let me take the another example. I'll write over here the girls or their father collects newspapers every day. Okay friends, so now I feel that this is a good sentence. The girls or their father collects the newspaper every day. Collects the newspaper every day. So friends, now we can see according to rule 4 that if there is a singular and a plural noun in the same sentence, यहाँ हमारे पास एक plural noun है, एक singular noun है, और अब ये किसके साथ जा रहा है? The verb is this. So verb is a singular verb over here. Singular verb because it is going with the father, and this is also a singular subject. So friends, you got it that whenever there are a singular and a plural noun in a sentence, so the verb will go with the subject closer to it, like in this sentence. Okay friends, now friends, I'll come up with new rules on the subject verb agreement in my next video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share it. Please friends, give me the comments. I want to know that do you like this video or not, or what shall I do in my next video. Thank you for watching.